Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here, and as you guys can see up on the screen, we are once again talking about Sofi Technologies Incorporated. This is ticker symbol SOFI or Sofi, exact same name as the company. They keep it nice and easy for you there. But Sofi had an amazing day today, up, as you can see, 4.83% on the day. After hours, yes, we are down 0.16%. We're pretty much flat. You know, that's pretty much nothing. I never really read into after hours market movement too much anyway. It's very low volume. It doesn't usually stick by the next morning anyway, you know, unless it's something crazy like earnings or some big news and acquisition, something like that. But just on a pretty normal day in the market like today, I mean, not normal. 4.83% up is not a normal day in the market, but, you know, nothing too crazy Sofi related coming out today. The fact that they're down a little bit after hours, I'm not reading too much into it, but they had an amazing day today. And there also is some interesting and cool stories to talk about with Sofi, like there always is, and that's what we're going to be going over in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I would appreciate that so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. As always, there is no financial advice that you are going to find in this video. I am not telling you to buy anything. I'm not telling you to sell anything. I'm just you know, covering some stories, giving my thoughts and opinions on some news, and sometimes even, you know, talking about investment and stuff from my own personal investing perspective, but not telling you to do anything. But hey, if you want to go do your own research, dive into some stocks or stories or whatever that we talk about in this video, more power to you. But with that being said, let's get right into this. Like I said, Sofi, very great day today. You know, they opened green. They were pretty much green the entire day, it looks like, and then again closing at 1262, 4.83% up. This was a hot day in the markets. Dow Jones up, S&P up, Nasdaq up big, Russell up massive, but Sofi outperformed all of them. And I say this in all these videos, this is what Sofi's been doing all year. I think pretty much every single day. I mean, probably not every single day, but I cover Sofi most trading days. You know, probably 95% of the trading days this year I've covered Sofi, and it seems like on pretty much every single damn one of them, Sofi outperforms the indices, especially in this market right now where there is a ton of volatility in individual stocks, where there is a ton of negative sentiment in the market. A bad day in the market is going to destroy these singular stocks, especially speculative, forward-looking, unprofitable companies like Sofi. But we're also getting to a point where a lot of these stocks are so beat down. Some of these stocks, in my opinion, and in the opinions of a lot of people, are undervalued, are oversold, are overbeat down, unfairly beat down. So when things turn around, they have bigger updates. They jump up higher than the indices. You know, Sofi really outperforms markets on the upside and the downside. I mean, it's really just like a leveraged index fund at this point. You know, you're getting the good with the bad. Now, as a whole, it's been a very rough year for Sofi. Obviously down 19.77% on the year. But hey, things are turning around a little bit recently. You know, February has definitely not been as bad as January was. And hey, we're trading a little bit flat over this time period. Maybe things will start turning around. We'll see. But again, still a very good day for Sofi today. So let's jump into some of the stories. I think the biggest one coming out today is this. On the Sofi stock subreddit, I think this was the #1 post on there. Galileo's technology powers H&R Block's new mobile banking app, Spruce. This is very exciting. Obviously, Galileo is owned by Sofi. This is a company, business, whatever you want to call it, that Sofi had acquired a while ago. And it's honestly one of the more exciting part of Sofi. Like, yes, Sofi does have all these different financial product offerings. They have their whole suite of so many different really quality financial products and services that they're offering to all those customers. You know, they're able to acquire one customer, get them hopefully into 3, 4, 5, 6 different financial products. They do a great job with that. But then also Galileo, not only you know, helping out Sofi, but then being able to use Galileo to partner up with other businesses, other apps, other financial institutions, other financial offerings, and make money off that as well is very exciting. It gives Sofi a big competitive advantage, not only being able to help themselves out, but being able to help other people out and to profit off that as well. You know, you can really have your hands all over the market with a company like Galileo under your branch, which is really exciting. So this was from Business Wire. Galileo Financial Technologies, a leading financial tech company owned and operated by Sofi, today announced that its API-enabled financial technology powers Spruce, the mobile banking platform built by H&R Block, which launched on January 20th of 2022, so less than a month ago. Spruce includes a spending account with a debit card, a connected savings account that follows for specific budgeting goals, early paycheck availability, and overdraft protection, all of which are delivered seamlessly through Galileo's award-winning platform. They do talk a little bit down here as well about how Galileo's cloud-based financial technology platform is built with flexibility, speed, and scale in mind, enabling new and established brands to launch innovative financial services that can adapt to evolving customer needs. Hey, this is very, very exciting. Galileo was the right choice thanks to its decades-long history of supporting the world's most innovative digital banks and financial services providers. We are excited to continue our collaboration with Galileo as we expand Spruce. So, sounds like H&R Block and people over there have been very, very happy with Galileo and are excited to be continuing working with them into the future. So this is pretty big news for Sofi. Again, this is just more revenue, more money, getting them closer, hopefully, to profitability, continuing to grow their brand, their services, and as long as they keep doing a good job, that's going to be great for their reputation. That's going to land them more business, more deals, and again, help them make more and more money into the future. Really, really exciting stuff. I was happy to see this today. We also have people just asking about Galileo's impact on revenue. People are saying that it is covered in the earnings reports under the technology platform segment results for the Q3 results that came out a couple of months ago. And these types of revenue had increased 80% year over year in the third quarter of 2021. So again, very, very exciting. $89 million total in Q3 for Galileo with a contribution profit of $16 million, which is a 31% operating margin. So there's a lot of stuff to be excited about for Galileo. When they bring on new business, when they start generating more revenue, it's profitable. It's a money maker. It has big growth. And again, a lot of people expect that this could be, out of everything Sofi is doing, this could be one of the real winners out of this whole company, which is very, very exciting. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. We also have the Upstart earnings that came out. Some people, not everyone, but some people were interested, if not assuming, that the Upstart earnings would have some effect on Sofi. If Upstart came out and announced a great earnings, that hey, maybe Sofi will pop. Or if Upstart, comes out with bad earnings, that hey, maybe Sofi will drop. But that did not happen at all. Obviously, Upstart reported very, very good earnings. They had a strong EPS beat. This stock is up like 23, 24, 25% after hours, something really, really crazy. And obviously, we've already looked at Sofi. It did not move after hours. It did not move on the Upstart news. Obviously, Upstart and, Sofi do not do all the same stuff. They say here, Upstart is not a bank. It's not an investment platform. It's not a card issuer. It's not a student loan issuer. But hey, this was something some people were looking out for. Just kind of giving you guys that update that yes, Upstart did report their earnings today. It went very, very well. And no, it did not have... it didn't have like a huge impact on Sofi. It did not have an impact on Sofi at all. So this is not really something that I think we need to, look at too much into the future. And then, just more information. I was looking, doing some research about Galileo, looking at, everything that they have to offer. Digital payments platform enables critical checking and savings account like functionality via its powerful open APIs, providing companies with an easy way to create sophisticated consumer and B2B financial services. I just kind of went back and I was looking at the press release from when Sofi actually acquired Galileo, seeing some of the things they had to say at the time, and what kind of opportunity they thought they were getting into, because obviously things have gone very, very well since then, which was actually April 7th of 2020. Pretty crazy. And just more obviously Galileo news coming out today, which is very, very exciting. And hey, Sofi stock performing very, very well. That is something to be excited about. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate that so, so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about SOFI. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe, stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.